Hello, in this tutorial I will demonstrate the use of moving average function in Excel and how it can be used in forecasting. Gasoline prices change over the time and we could use average of the last 3 weeks prices to forecast price for the week 4. Our forecast would equal to 19, which is average of these 3 values. It turns out that the gasoline price is 23 in week 4. Now we could forecast the price in week 5 as an average of these 3 values, which would be 21, and it could go on like this. In order to assess accuracy of our forecast, we look at forecast error, which is a difference between actual and forecasted values for each week. Then we square the error to get rid of negative values and give greater weight to bigger forecasted errors. In our example, we have 9 values of squared forecast errors. In order to compare different forecasted with the various data sizes, we use average of these values, which we call mean square error, and it equals 10.22 for this example. Let's find out what is the forecast for week 13 and mean square error for our forecast using the values of gasoline prices for the last 12 weeks. First, I will populate the table with averages, which I will do using function in data analysis, and here you can find moving average. Once you press OK, it will ask you for the input range of the values. So I select the gasoline prices. It asks for the value of interval. I'm going to do 3-week average, so I put 3, and it requests also output range. As I'm going to do the forecast for the next period, I will start one cell down here. Press OK and it will populate. It gives you NA because it doesn't calculate average from, it doesn't have enough values to calculate these averages here, so you can just delete these two. Next, I want to calculate the mean square error, which is average of the squared errors. For each forecast, I want to calculate a square error. Forecast error is difference between actual and forecast. I want to square it now, so press Shift 6 to get the square, and then 2. So I have squared error. I copy all these down here, and I want to find average value. And here it is.